Transferring money from Dashers Direct to your bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer money from Dashers Direct to your bank account. The process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, open up your Dashers Direct app and then go to Earnings tab. Now in the Earnings tab, you'll be able to see your earnings right there. And right next to the earning, you'll see an option for transfer. You just have to tap on the transfer and then they will want you to link your bank account. You just have to enter your bank account details, which will include your bank account number, routing number, and some other details. Now, after putting the details, it will verify your bank account linkage. Once it is done, you just have to enter the amount you want to transfer. After entering the amount, you have to confirm the transfer details. You just have to be at the review page, confirm every details, and then simply confirm it. And there you go. That's how you'll be able to transfer money from Dash's direct to bank account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.